How to find your saved posts on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your saved posts on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, after you go to your profile, you click here, and now you will see here saved. Click on it, and now you click here and you will see all your saved posts, and that's how to find your saved posts on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.